build WordPress website with ChatGPT. So I was able to build this WordPress professional website right inside ChatGPT. And as you can see from ChatGPT chat, this is the link to the website. Let me click on it for you to see. And over here, all that I have to do is simply come and then click on open link. Okay. And it has brought me right to this professional website that ChatGPT built for me. As you can see from here, it comes along with all the menus. And let me click on the blog for you to see. And it is showing the blog post. Okay, so let me click on any blog, and as you can see, there is a fully professional build website. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I built it, how I built this professional looking WordPress website right inside ChatGPT, so that you can also go ahead and then build yours. So I have a link in the video description to this platform. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here, and all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says get started, and then come and click on it. So when I click on it, it's going to bring you right here to create an account. And then to create an account, you can simply come and then click on sign up with Google in one click, or you can come here and then come and click on sign up with email. And over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then put your email address here, your first name, your last name, you create a strong password, then come and click on create account. And then they are going to send you a verification code inside your email. Okay, simply go and then copy it and come and paste it right here, just like this. After pasting it, come and click on verify and continue. It's going to bring you right here. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the skip and come and click on the skip. And it's going to skip and bring you right here. Okay, over here, scroll down to the button. You see that we have a free account here. Come and click on get started to create your free account. So your account will be created just like this, and all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the close, and that is it. You have successfully created your free account. Where we have the arrow here, come and click on it, and then you see the full menu just like this. Okay, so what you are going to do is that simply scroll down and then come here to where you have the tools. Under it, you have MCP here. Come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the MCP, and over here, what you have to do is simply come here to the profile and then the setup. Okay, the setup instructions, you see that we have this down arrow here. Come and then click on the down arrow. Okay, it's going to show all the models here. Okay, so simply come and then click on select your MCP client. Over here, just click on it. You are going to see that all the clients or the models will be displayed just like this. Look through and then come and then click on the ChatGPT. That's the one that we are going to select. Okay, and over here we only have to come and then copy the saver URL. Okay, so this is what you're going to paste inside ChatGPT. So let me show you how to paste it inside ChatGPT. All that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and then search for ChatGPT and then hit enter. Okay, so when it comes, simply come and select the official site of ChatGPT. By clicking on it, it's going to bring you right inside ChatGPT just like this. Okay, and over here, all that you have to do is simply come to your account. Okay, the profile icon, come and click on it. So it will show up all of this just like this, and then simply come here to where we have the settings, and then come and click on the settings. So when I click on it, it's going to open the general settings just like this. Inside it, we are going to see that we have apps here. Come and then click on the apps. Okay, so when I click on it, it's going to open the apps preference just like this. Under it, you're going to see that we have advanced settings just like this one. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the advanced settings, and over here from the advanced settings, you see that we have developer mode right here. Come and then click on this to turn it on. Okay, so after turning on the developer mode, simply come here to the top. You see that we have the back arrow, and then come and click on the back. So when I click on it, it's going to bring you right here, and then in front of the advanced settings, you see that we have create app here. Come and then click on create app. And after clicking on it, this is going to show up just like this. Okay, you have to come and then fill it. So the first one is the name, and I'm going to show you where to get the name. Okay, so I have a link of this prompt in the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here. Then simply come here to the ChatGPT app name and description. You are going to see that we have the name right here. Come and then highlight this one. Okay, so after highlighting it, put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy to copy it. And then come back here to where we have the name, and come and paste the name inside it just like this, the one that you copied. Okay, after that, come here to the description, and then we are going to copy the description as well. Simply come here, scroll down, and come here to the description, and come and highlight the whole description just like this. So after highlighting it, come and then put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy to copy the whole description. After that, come back here to where we have the description and come and paste it inside it just like this. Okay. So over here where we have the connection, okay, make sure that the server URL is selected. Then here is where you're going to paste in the URL. Okay, so simply come back here to the server URL and simply come and then highlight the whole thing. Come and then put the mouse on it, right click on it, and simply come and then click on copy to copy the URL. So after copying the link, simply come and then paste it right here to the connection just like this. And then leave everything as it is. Okay, the authentication, just leave it as it is. Everything, just leave it as it is. And then simply come here, and then over here you have to come and then check this box to agree. Okay, and after that, all that you have to do is to simply come and then click on the create, and that is it. You are going to be asked to simply log into the zip WP. So simply come and then click on sign in. And then over here, all that you have to do is simply come in and sign. To sign, simply come here to where it says log in with email and come and click on it. All that you have to do is simply put in your email address here, put in the password that you created, and then come and click on login, and automatically it is going to show up just like this. So over here, the permission requested, okay, you can come and then choose the one that you don't want, but make sure that all of this is selected. The delete side, just leave it as it is and come and click on authorize. Okay, and that is it. You have successfully linked the zipwp to ChatGPT, and that is what you are going to use to build a website. Then I come and click on the close to close it. Okay, and over here, simply come here and then can come and then give the prompt to ChatGPT to build a website. But first, come here to the plus icon and come and click on it. You're going to see that all of these options will show up. Under it, you're going to see that you have the zipwp right here. Come and click on it to select it, and that is what ChatGPT is going to use to build your website for you. Now you need a prompt to build a website, and over here you'll see that I have the website creation prompt, and then the prompt start from here. Come and highlight it from the top to the end just like this, and after that simply come and then put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy. You will find it in the link, the description down below. Open Notepad and then come and paste it inside just like this. Over here where you have the website name, simply come here to where it says enter your website name, highlight the whole thing, and then come and then write your own website name just like this. After that, simply come here to the short website description where it says enter a short website description. Here, come and then write your website description. That is how you want the website to be. Okay, after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then highlight the whole prompt, come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then simply come here and then come and click on copy to copy it. After that, come here to the chat and come and paste the prompt inside it just like this. So we have successfully pasted the prompt to build our website inside ChatGPT chat, and all that you have to do after pasting it to simply come here and come and click on send prompt. So when you click on send prompt, ChatGPT is going to receive it and it's going to give you the whole walkthrough. Okay, and over here all that you have to do is to simply come and then approve it. So to approve it, simply copy the approved text and then come and paste it right here, or you can type it yourself that approved just like this. Okay, so after pasting it, simply come and then click on the send prompt, and that is it. ChatGPT is going to receive it, and then ZipWP is going to ask you to allow it. So to do that, simply come and then click on allow once, and that is it. ChatGPT is going to use the ZipWP to build your WordPress website for you and give you the link to it. So as you can see, we have the link to our website right here. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the link. So when you click on it, it is going to ask you to open the link, and all that you have to do is simply come and click on open link, and over here is going to bring you right here. So it's a temporary storage, so simply come and then click on continue with the temporary site. Okay, and that is it. This is the website, a fully professional WordPress website that ChatGPT has built for us using just the prompt, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. So from the top you see that all the menus are here. You can come and click on the blog, and you see that all our blog post is also showing perfectly fine. Okay, so let me come and then click on the about section for you to see it is showing a professional about section for our website. So this is actually awesome. So when you come here to the ZipWP and then come and then click on Sandbox site, over here, you are going to see that this is the website that ChatGPT has just built for us. You can log into your admin by simply coming here and then come and click on the WordPress logo. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to WordPress, and then from the top, come and click on visit site, and you are going to see that it is going to show you a professional WordPress build website right inside a WordPress. Okay, so now what you have to do is that when you come here, let me go to the dashboard for you to see by clicking on the dashboard. You see that when we go back to the zip.wp, you are going to see that we have a time that our website is going to be deleted or expire. So we have to host it on a permanent web host. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to host this website on Hostinger. That is the best option for you, so that you're not going to lose your website. So I have a link to the Hostinger inside the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here, and then come to the top here where you have services. Come and click on it, the down arrow, and then this is going to show up just like this. Okay, so where you have the host and deploy, over here, come and then click on web hosting. So when you click on web hosting, it's going to open this. Scroll down and then come here and come and select a plan. Okay, so the best plan so far that you can go for is the 12 months plan. So simply come here, then come and then click on the down arrow. Over here, you are going to see that we have 12 months here. Come and then click on it to select the 12 months. Okay, so the selecting the 12 months over here, the one that we are going to go for is the popular one, and that's the business plan. Okay, so you are going to pay 4.99 per month. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says choose plan, and then come and click on it to choose the plan. And then over here, you see that 12 months has been selected, and all that you have to do is simply, and it comes with a free domain. Okay, so you are going to get a free domain for 1 year when you go with the 12 months plan, business plan. All that you have to do is simply come and click on continue. You go ahead and then register and then make the payment. And after that, it's going to bring you right here to your H panel inside Hostinger. Come and then click on the website. Okay, then make sure that all website is selected by clicking on all website. It's going to bring you a business plan inside here. And then in front of it, you are going to see that we have migrate and then add website. Come and then click on add website. And then over here, simply come and then select WordPress by clicking on WordPress. Okay, so it is going to show, and then you have to claim your free domain. Okay, so over here, simply come and then click on it to claim your free domain. So I have claimed it already. So I'm going to use this to build a website. And after that, simply come and then click on the next. Okay. Over here, you have to come and then set your administrative password. Come and click on this I arrow, and then it is going to show, okay, that is the I symbol. It's going to show the password, highlight and then clear it. Okay, and after that, come here to choose your own and come and click on it. And over here, simply come and then write your own preferred password just like this, and make sure that it goes along with all the requirements. And come here, don't come and then click on create website with AI. Come and then click on build from scratch. So when you click on it, it is going to install the WordPress for you. And as you can see, it has successfully installed. It can come and then visit the site by click on visit site. And from here, we have our website. Okay. All that you have to do is simply come to the dashboard again. And now come back to the zip.wp. Make sure that sandbox site is selected, and then from here we are going to log in again. Okay, so simply come and then click on the WordPress logo. So when you click on, it's going to come just like this, and then from here you can visit the site to see that it's the exact site that we just built by clicking on visit site, and this is the actual website that we just built. Now that we have confirmed, let's go back to the dashboard. So simply come and then click on the dashboard. Okay, it's going to bring you right here, and come here to the plugins, and come here to where it says add plugin, and come and click on it. So when you click on it at the top, you can come and then add a plugin. So over here, simply come here to where you have the search plugin, and come and search for Vivid, just like this. There's that same spelling, and then come and then make sure that you select the WordPress one, this one. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says install, and come and click on it. So when you click on, it's going to install, and then come and click on activate. So it's going to be activated, and then Vivid is going to open just like this. Okay, so now what you're going to do is that from the backup and restore, make sure that that one is selected, and then database plus file is selected, and save backup to local is selected as well, and simply come and then click on backup now. So what we are going to do is that we are going to back up our site. So as you can see, one backup finished. We are going to back up our zip.wp build site, and from the backup, as you can see, we have it right here. So now all we are going to do is simply download the backup. So simply come here to where it says download, and come and click on the download. And from here, you see that from the download, we have one download here. That is the file. Come and then click on the download, okay, to download it. So when you click on it, your site is going to be downloaded. And from here, as you can see, it is downloading and everything has successfully been downloaded. Okay, you can come and click on show in folder, and this is our zip file. So we are going to host this on the Hostinger website. Okay, so from the Hostinger website that we just created, simply come here to the plugins and then come and click on add plugin. And over here, you can come and then add a plugin. And all that you have to do is simply come here to the search plugin and then come and type in WP Vivid just like this. It is going to show up. Okay, and then from here, simply come and then make sure that you come and select the WordPress one and come and click on install now. So it's going to install and come and click on the activate. So when you click on it, it's going to be activated and the WP Vivid backup is going to come just like this. Over here, come here to the backup and restore and simply scroll down and come here to where you have the upload and come and click on the upload. And over here, you have the option to come and then select the file. That is the zip file that we just downloaded. Come and click on select file. Come and open where you save it and then simply come and then click on it to select it just like this. After selecting it, simply come here and come and click on open to open it. And as you can see, the file has been uploaded just like this. Simply come here to where you have upload and come and click on it. And that is it. It is going to be uploaded. Okay, so give it time for it to finish uploading, and it's going to show you that it has completed the upload. Simply come and then click on the OK. Okay, and then over here you see that we have the backups here. So simply come here, you are going to find the uploaded backup right here just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on restore. And that is it. It's going to bring you right here. Okay, so from the restore option, simply come and then click on the restore again, and it's going to show up just like this. And all that you have to do is simply click on OK, and your backup is going to be restored. And as you can see, it has successfully completed, and come and click on OK. So after a successful restoration of your website, you have to come and then log in with the login details. Okay, and to do that, simply come here to the zipwp where you build your website. In front of it, you are going to see that you have these three dots. Click on it, and then all these options is going to come. And all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the login credentials and come and click on it. And then you are going to find your username and then password. All that you have to do is simply copy them one after the other, and then simply come and then paste them right here just like this, and then come and click on log in. So over here, you have to come and then confirm your administration email by clicking on this is the correct email, and after that it is going to come just like this. And as you can see, we have completed the migration of our website to the Hostinger hosting. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the visit site, come and click on it, and you see that your fully professional WordPress build website is live and it is working. Okay, so this is actually how to build a website right inside ChatGPT, and the builder is free. All that you need is a web hosting. Like the video and see you in my next video.